All right, so we're out here in the States Cole Manor. It's a beautiful thing. What do you notice best about the community that you want to show your buyers?
There's room to roam. There's plenty of space. A lot of those lots are about an acre. So we got plenty of buyers that are always looking for the space in the home, but also they want the yard as well.
I noticed that the lots were pretty big lots, like they were 1 acre lots, and so it's definitely a big plus for my clients.
And the price point is perfect.
I would say excellent.
Absolutely.
Yeah, excellent.